Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I just wanted to share the best audio setup of GoPro Hero 7. So today you can see these all are the setup, or these are multiple items which you have. So I just wanted to tell you why there are so many mics. This is 1, 2, 3 and one more mic is also there which is attached to my helmet currently. So I just wanted to share why all this equipment has been used to get the best audio quality. Before proceeding ahead, I just wanted to share all the output of the audio quality for all these mics and all this setup along with SJ cam as well. So this is not a kind of comparison, but I also wanted to add this audio as well with the genuine mic accessory and along with the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So alright guys, as you can see, the chin mount is GoPro and here the left side it is SJ cam. So I just came out, it is around 6:30. So alright guys, as you can see, the chin mount is GoPro and here the left side it is SJ cam. So I just came out, it is around 6:30. This is at the speed test of 80. What is the quality of the audio? Both the visor closed. Quality at 100 speed. This is at the speed test of 80. What is the quality of the audio with both the visor closed? This is at the 100 speed. This is the audio quality at 100 speed. There is a lot of wind I can hear, but I don't know what is the audio quality at. If there is any crackling or any hissing kind of sound, so just wanted to cross check with all the mics which I have. Okay, around 80. I believe this is 100 and I'm not shouting, so just wanted to check the audio quality in higher speeds. Hundred, 110. So guys, testing the audio at 90 speed per hour. Hoskote. So this is Hoskote, testing the audio at 100 kilometers per hour. I am at 110. Now it is 110, I believe. What is the audio quality, sound quality? Is there any wind noise, something? I can hear a lot of wind noises and all. Slow down. So okay guys, this is a good time to test now. The road is empty. So currently as of now I'm at around 60 or 70 kilometers per hour, and now it is around 80. Okay, you can see the speed is around 80. The visor is closed, and I can hear lot of wind noise. So what is the sound quality now? Should be good or not? Or is there any per sound? Or is there any crackling kind of noise? So I have not hit it more than 100. So let me go that. This way is the better. I'm at around 110 or 120, 110. Okay, so how is the audio quality now without any influences? Around 120 now. I hope the audio quality is good. Okay, so I have tested like high speed around 120. I don't know what is the audio quality at that time. So let me cross check the audio quality in lower speeds as well. No doubt the lower speeds are good in all those setups. Whatever I did, means like Mauno refurbished, Mauno new product, everything is same. So guys, this is the Mauno mic or Mono mic. So this is a refurbished product or a renewed product which I purchased. So this came around 297 rupees or something in normal days. And again, the audio quality was like not so much good after checking. And the only option why I opted this one is this has this T 3.5mm TRS pin. So this TRS pin will help us to avoid using this Rode adapters, the small adapter. If you can see this small adapter, which I have fixed it up like this. And so the only option why I opted this one is for that. So I failed in the first product. The second product was Boya M1. And again there were some certain of wind noises, and there were also like the wiring is too much big, you know, right? So it can't fit so easily in helmets. So I ignored this one. I thought there is some issue with the refurbished product, so that's why I ordered another new Mauno mic, the same, but again the audio quality was remained the same how it was in the refurbished product. This was showing as 699 in normal days, but in prime days it was like 299 rupees something. And finally I have ordered, there is something called GDUS mic. I will put that, I will show a small pic of the mic or in Amazon. It costed me around 299 rupees again. So I used that one, the output was good. Fourth one, the last day of the testing, which the audio quality was smooth and good even in harsh conditions like high speeds and all. The audio was good, so I opted the last one for that. So this case is Ulanzi housing case. I have attached a GoPro adapter. These are all the common things you know. But coming to my perspective, there are certain number of questions which I wanted to address. Can we record directly via quick mode? So this is like one touch. If you click on this directly records the video and the audio. So the question was like, can we use the audio sound adapter via this mode? My answer would be yes, you can use. So now I'm simply clicking on this button. Okay, the camera got turned on and the recording is also happening. So let's test the audio now. Okay, the camera got turned on and the recording is also happening. So let's test the audio now. the speed is around 80, 90, almost 100. Okay, no shout, only speak. And again, there are certain questions as well. Do we need to change any internal audio settings in this app, in this GoPro? So, do we need to do any settings in this input output of this part? My answer would be no, until and unless you are using some high professional with which has a battery or a power with it. Else there are no such settings that needs to be done in this. So my answer would be no. So this is how I set up. I have used, or I have directly attached it this part of the helmet. Means I got some space, so I have used this one, and this connected directly to this, the wire from here. So it is a kind of semi waterproof. It's not fully waterproof, it is a kind of semi waterproof. So this is how. And I used, if you remember, this is Faber-Castell tack kit. You can use it. So in case if I need to remove this adapter, it is simple, just to peel it off. And again, just for waterproofing purpose, I have filled what all are the holes which are available, means which is not used while using this particular setup. So I have covered it with an insulation tape, so that will do at least not 100% justice, but some sort of, or a minimal amount of rain, or at least in a small pouring conditions, not in heavy rains and all. So that's the thing. If you like this video, kindly hit that like button, and also do subscribe if you like the content.